Hi there, my name is Lane and I'm the founder and lead engineer at Cybrelle. So Cybrelle is a bootstrap startup that I founded back in December, and I wanted to create a way to integrate AI with vulnerability assessments. And to my knowledge at the time, there wasn't any other company doing this, so I thought this would be a great idea for a little project. So my company Cybrelle is a cloud-based vulnerability management program, and it uses GPT-4. A few days ago, I was allowed to into the early access for GPT-4. Previously, this Cybrelle was using GPT-3, but I'm excited that in the demo that I'm showing you is going to use GPT-4. It's fast, easy to use, and it puts information in quickly and easy to understand format too, so you can quickly alleviate your vulnerabilities. And our motto is you can grow your business without worrying so much about your attack surface. And so our product, Cybrelle, it is a vulnerability management solution that detects vulnerabilities for your entire system and gives directions on how to make things secure, how to make your configuration files more secure, and gives you the common vulnerabilities and exploits for your processes, system units, and programs, and network vulnerabilities. It use, and like I said previously, it uses OpenAI's GPT-4. And so here we have three tiers: the professional, business, and enterprise tier. The professional tier allows you to have 5 hosts to your organization. Business tier allows you to have 10 hosts to your organization. And the enterprise tier has 20 hosts for your organization with the option to expand. Just reach out to me. Currently, I'm the only employee, but I just keep saying us. But I'm hoping to expand in the future once my company gains more traction. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in real quick. And so we're going to go to the dashboard, and this is where you're going to make all the magic happen. The host page is where you can easily add a host. So and you can edit them up here. So we're going to see the CentOS VM that I have set up. Currently, Cybrelle only works on Linux and IoT devices, but for the next iteration, I'm going to add functionality for Windows devices as well, Windows 7 through Windows 11, and also Windows Server, the different Windows Server options. So now let's go to, I'm going to blur all the identifying information out as well. So let's go back to the dashboard, and we're going to run the scan on the CentOS VM and the Ubuntu VM. So it's easy, you can just press these two, and then we'll wait about 30 minutes. I'm going to pause the demo and we'll come back. Actually, now I'm going to explain real quick the technology that I use to create this. I use Django as well as Django Ninjas for the API. And so for the API, I use Django Ninjas, which is Django and Fast API mixed together, and Django for everything else, and of course HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the front end. So just hang tight, and we'll see how long this takes. It'll be about 30 minutes. So I have gone ahead and open up a new tab. So the CentOS, so the vulnerability scan for the CentOS VM has finished running, and the report for the Ubuntu VM has been created as well. So you can see here is how it, in the future iteration, I'm going to change I'm going to make everything come out in a cleaner format, but it'll give you detailed information regarding the configuration files and if they're secure and what you need to do to fix them. And so if we go back, here are also the common vulnerabilities and exploits that are for at least for the CentOS VM. And so we're going to click on this one until it says Jenkins 2.24 and earlier. The LTS build and earlier does not escape the job name to keep this build forever badge tooltip. Really can store cross-site scripting vulnerability. So it gives that information. And in the future, I'm going to add and make a cleaner output as well as a um, more functionality to edit the amount of configuration files you want to scan if you wanted to scan all of them or just scan a specific amount, in addition to adding functionality for Windows devices. So I want to thank you all for tuning in. Currently, the rest of the for the Ubuntu VM is still running currently. Let's see if it's actually finished. No. But it took about an hour for the CentOS, for the vulnerabilities for the CentOS VM to finish showing. And please let me know if any industry experts or any security professionals would like to tune in regarding any insight or any advice on what I should do to add in the next iteration. So I hope you all have a great day, and bye-bye. Thank you for watching.